Are you ready to start making money online with just a few simple steps? This method works worldwide, requires zero investment, and can earn you up to $2,000 per day. All you need to do is copy, paste, submit, and watch the money roll in. Stick around as I walk you through this powerful strategy step by step. Step 1. Find websites that need help. First, head over to Google and think of businesses that make money. Dentists, gyms, restaurants, online courses, or service providers like cleaning or hosting companies. Search for relevant keywords like best yoga classes or top digital marketing agencies. Now, here's the secret. Skip the first page. Businesses on the second, third, or fourth pages get significantly less traffic, meaning they're losing potential customers and revenue. That's where you come in. Step 2. Introducing SEMrush. These businesses need better SEO to rank higher on Google. Instead of doing the work yourself, you'll refer them to SEMrush, a powerful SEO tool trusted by top companies like eBay and Quora. SEMrush helps businesses improve their rankings, leading to more visitors, sales, and income. And here's the best part. SEMrush will pay you $200 for every website you refer that signs up. Step 3. Join the SEMrush affiliate program. Signing up is easy. Scroll to the bottom of the SEMrush website, click on Affiliate Marketing, and create a free account. Once you're approved, you'll get your unique affiliate link. Just 10 signups can earn you $2,000. The earning potential is massive. Step 4. Contacting website owners. Now, go back to Google, visit the websites from the second or third page, and look for their contact information. This could be an email, social media handle, or contact form. Send them a short, persuasive message explaining how ranking higher on Google can increase their traffic and revenue, and with your SEMrush affiliate link, making it easy for them to sign up. Step 5. Scale up and profit. The more businesses you reach out to, the more money you can make. Even if just a few sign up each day, you could be making thousands of dollars every week. Remember, consistency is key. This method is simple, effective, and completely free to start. So take action now and start earning. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Create a free account. Once you're approved, you'll get your unique affiliate link. Just 10 signups can earn you $2,000. Website owners.